Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today we will talk about Instagram application, and I would like to give you the tips how the way you can manage your time in playing with Instagram application. So you just to open your Instagram application, and if you want to manage the time, I would like to suggest you to turn on the limit in using the Instagram by a limit feature. You just need to open the Instagram application and then just open the profile. Click the trace red line on the top right corner and click the setting and privacy. And now you just need to take a look on this first box, which is the how you use Instagram. Click the time spent. And then there will be like a daily limit here. So this feature can help you to manage your time in playing Instagram. Go click it, and then you just need to pick like how many times or how many minutes that you want to use Instagram in a day. If you want to use Instagram in a day like for an hour, so you just need to pick it, and then you just need to turn on. And you just need to follow the rules, which is you only have like 1 hours only for each day to play with Instagram, and do the other time to other positive things. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it, and let's meet again into other tutorial.